What is a land code? Video 1 of 9. A land code sets out the basic rules for land and resource management on First Nation reserve land as determined by the First Nation. Fort McKay First Nation is in the process of developing a land code. Currently, the use, occupation, and protection of Fort McKay reserve land is determined by the Indian Act and policies set by officials from Indigenous Services Canada. Under the Land Code, 44 sections of the Indian Act will no longer apply to Fort McKay First Nation's land and resources. Instead, Fort McKay First Nation will manage reserve land and resources under its own land code and laws, and the Government of Canada will no longer have any say in how Fort McKay chooses to use, occupy, and protect its reserve land. A land code must include basic procedures for enacting land laws, granting interests in land, for example leases, transferring interests in land, accountability to members, and dispute resolution. All these aspects of the land code are determined by Fort McKay First Nation to meet the needs of the community and its members. Canada is not involved in how Fort McKay develops its land code. The land code will apply to all 5 Fort McKay First Nation reserves. The land code does not apply to our traditional territory and does not change our impact benefit agreements or rights that apply to our lands within our territory. To find out more, visit the address below.